easier to take a little bit better care of yourself.
Hey everybody, Cardholics here. I'm got the Topps Stadium Club Football 1992 series box, and I'm really excited to open it. It's not the most expensive card box in the world. It's actually one of on the cheaper side, but I'm really happy about this because this has the not exactly the rookie of Brett Favre, but some consider it to be the rookie year. There is a Topps 1991 series football box, which is a lot more expensive, but yeah, that one goes for quite a bit more. But Brett Favre rookie card is the main thing I'm looking for here. So without further ado, with that card on the eBay is, I think last time I checked it was going for PSA 10. Oh man, I might be wrong. I'll label it here, but it was PSA 10 was over $100 if I remember correctly. Might be wrong, but anyways, hopefully I get that, and yeah, thanks for joining me. Oh shoot. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna open this box. The only one I'm actually looking for is Brett Favre, maybe Emmitt Smith. I don't know. I don't know the other good card in this year. I don't remember any good rookies. Anyways, I'm gonna try to hurry. Last time I took a little too long. I had to fast forward everything. Yeah, man, that one's kind of open already. Kind of sucks. Alright, so these cards come off somewhat okay, but I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. Ringfire, John Freeze, Sean Landeta, Mark Trinick. Dude, I remember back in the day, Stadium Club were like the it pack. Those were like premier. I think my cousin got me into cards, but the first time he told me about Stadium Club, I was like, Stadium Club? Sounds like a ghetto name, right? But I think these were the first cards that were from edge to edge, straight up pictures, photos, I think. I may be wrong, but don't quote me on that. So they look cool at the time, but now I think we're back to kind of having the frame, borders, whatnot. So kind of like the borders better, to be honest with you. I think Gary Vee said cards are like the art for people today, you know? Like who wants to own like Leonardo DiCaprio or Pablo Picasso art, you know? I mean, there are people out there, people who are much more cultured, but the majority of us are just like, you know, just blue collar people, like sports, have sports teams, and there's also the element of gambling when you open a pack. So just more into cards, and then when your friend comes over, instead of showing him, look at my Leonardo DiCaprio, right? Or Leonardo da Vinci. My bad. Instead of saying, look at my Leonardo da Vinci, they could say, hey, check out my sports card collection. This one's worth $50. That one's worth 100 bucks. And later on, you might have some like rare cards that will be worth like over 1,000 bucks. We're at the rate we're going, we're probably gonna inflate the US dollar so much that US dollar won't be worth much. So we might have like $1,000 cards very soon. Who knows? Dolphins making cry, guys. Okay, last pack. Last pack. Lord, please let Brett Favre be in here. If not, then please put him in here, Lord. In Jesus' name. God, please help me. Shoot. Lord, help me, Lord. Last pack, guys. Not a bad start. Rod Wilson. Mark Stepnoski. James Campen. Joe Walter. Ernest Bonner. Gerald Talley. He was good. This is not the one I'm looking for. Gerald Green. He's good. But once again, not the one I'm looking for. Byron Evans. Mo Lewis. Michael Stewart. Gil Finnerty. No. Lord help me. Nick Lowry. Terrence Mathis. Brett Favre on the next one. No. Final card. Brett Favre. Brett Favre. Ah, dude.
A reminder to a little bit better care of yourself.
Well, goes to show you. Not guaranteed, guys. Life is not guaranteed. So, some days you win it, some days you don't. I just wasted a little bit of money, but pack's not too expensive to begin with, so I guess it's not total loss. Still, yeah, it's pretty depressing, to be honest with you. But learning experience, right? Sometimes it's better to just buy the card straight up, and then yeah, we'll see. Well, thanks for joining me. Still a cardaholic. Follow my YouTube channel, and yeah, God bless. Take care, guys. Bye.